Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how do drones fly. In today's video we are going to be talking about how do drones fly exactly, okay? You see, okay? For example, let's say you have a friend or you just bought a new toy drone, okay? And you decide to go for a fly with it, okay? So you start flying it, but have you ever wondered how do they actually fly? Well, it's kind of obvious. You see, drones have these 4 propellers, okay? So, okay, let me give you another example, okay, other than that. So, maybe sometimes you've seen toy drones and maybe toy helicopters that can fly, okay? But those helicopters are a bit unstable, okay? And drones have more control. The reason is, you see, drones have 4 propellers, okay? When the propellers spin, okay, it basically pushes the air down, okay? When the propellers spin, it pushes the air down and moves the drone up. This moving up motion is called lift, okay? So when that means if the propellers spin faster, the drone moves up faster, okay? So this is how a drone can move up and down. So if the propellers stop spinning more faster, then if it starts spinning slower, then the drone will vice versa go down. But how does the drone actually move in the air? Well, you see, when it wants to move forward or backward, left or right, let's say the drone wants to go forward, okay? That would mean the back propellers would start to spin more faster, okay? This creates a bit of an imbalance, okay, and tilts the drone in that direction. And when it tilts the drone in that direction, well, the drone will move forward in that direction. And this can be said for any other direction as well. So if it wanted to go left, the right propellers, okay, would spin faster, making it move that way, and vice versa for all the others, okay? Now this can be all done inside the drone, okay? Inside the CPU there is the flight controller, okay, which keeps the drone balanced in the air, receives the signals from the remote control, and uses other sensors, okay, to navigate, okay? And the drone also has a rechargeable battery, so that way you don't need to charge it, okay, with actual fuel. So no fuel actually needed. It just uses a rechargeable battery, okay, for the motors to work properly. And that's basically the gist of how do drones fly in the air. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.